Them in the oven with brown sugar.
Aww.
Wow.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is crazy now. Wow, look at this. She got more than me.
So the other ones didn't do too good. 10.
I only got 5, like little, like 3.
3 of the little.
Yeah, like those, and the other ones are like this.
Oh wow.
It's like 6 or 5 altogether.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's you know, that was
I'm
a good
proud.
That's nice.
I did a good job. I feel something else though. Oh, that's cool.
You ain't getting down in there, little man. No. What not?
Man, Mom, you ought to
My
find
back hurts.
everybody.
What'd you say?
There's one right there.
You ought to be a professional gardener.
I know, right? Oh, look.
That's 12. That's probably a lot of them.
Wow.
It's 12.
I'm super excited.
You got a nice touch when it comes to gardening, people's gardening.
I don't know what, like Graham's garden, I don't know. It must just been because of, you know, the Lord knowing she, you know, something that she looks forward to. And, but I'm excited. She's going to be, I pulled 2 cucumbers out of her garden last week. She used them for your linguine salad.
Did she?
Yeah. Yeah, and they were still good. They one got stuck in the chicken wire and it broke in half. And I was like, she got 2 cucumbers out here and it's November.
It was so good. I was tearing that.
Yeah. So next year.
She didn't get no tomatoes, huh?
Yeah, she got tomatoes. I was picking them for her and stuff.
Pretty cold, I see.
Wow. So next year I'll know to plant more sweet potatoes. Now that I know they grow in these bags, I'm gonna plant more plants. I see your muscles. He always gotta show off. You've been showing off your muscles since you've been little.
Me too.
Little man has tryouts this week for basketball.
That's good. So
I gotta take him to Med Express. I gotta pay $30 now because I couldn't get into the physical.
Oh, that was
his doctor is booked.